Well, our shelter looks like it's in pretty good shape. Me and Jake are just gonna kind of knock the snow off and get things organized, and then I've got a few improvements I'm gonna make. I got a plan in mind. I'm gonna need 7 small trees. What are you doing? Are you getting cold, Jacob?
Yeah.
Do you want to get in your sleeping bag?
Yeah.
Get some caribou hides down. Jacob's such a trooper. He's been following me around in his snowshoes for the last 2 hours, but his fingers are all cold, so I threw him in his sleeping bag, gave him some toys and his blankie. He's good to go. If you're gonna take kids out in this weather, have a good sleeping bag. A good sleeping bag can fix a lot of problems. All right, well, the shelter's looking pretty good. I just need some final touches. I really need a chair in there. All right, now that we got that done, I think we need to get some firewood chopped up.